Hi everybody! For more help before you begin this worksheet, don't forget to watch the video on Google Classroom about sex-linked traits and Punnett squares. It's an Amoeba Sisters video just to help you review. But today we're going to be working with sex linkage. So the background information is important because it will remind you what kinds of letters we use for sex-linked Punnett squares. Then there's some information about hemophilia and color blindness. So you'll use XHs for hemophilia problems, which is a blood clotting disorder, or you'll use XB for color blindness. So those are both inherited on the X chromosome. Now, for instance, for number 1, it's going to ask you to write the genotypes for red-green color blindness. So I'll do the first one with you. It's asking for a normal male. Well, we know that the genotype of a male is always X and Y, but we have to figure out what kind of X the male has. Well, he's normal, and since males only have one X, they only have one option, X big B or X little b. Well, which one of those is for a normal male? It's the capital B. So this genotype would be X big B Y. Now remember, females are XX, so I'll do B with you as well. For a female, you need to have an XX, and she is homozygous for no color blindness. Homo means same, so she's going to have 2 of the same X's, and she also does not have color blindness, so that should be capital B, capital B. So you can go ahead and finish the rest of those. And then as we move on, it's going to ask you to do some actual Punnett square problems. So like for number 2, it gives you the genotypes of both parents, and you're supposed to set up a Punnett square that goes with that. So just so you know, you can actually fill in this Punnett square if you would like to, but since both of the parents are on top of this, it may be kind of confusing. So if you want to set up your own Punnett square on your own paper, which you should do anyways, you will just take one parent's genotype, so X big B, X big B, and then you'll take the other parent's genotype, X little b, and Y, and you can just cross them that way. So remember, we go X big B, X little b in this box, X big B, X little b here, X big B, Y here, and X big B, Y here. So you set up that Punnett square, and it asks how many male children are colorblind. Well, then you have to look in your Punnett square, and you have to figure out, well, where's the males? Are those XXs or XYs? Those are your XYs. And are any of them colorblind? We'll let you go back up and look at the key to figure that out, but you're looking if this capital B means colorblind or not. So that's essentially how the worksheet goes. There's a bunch of problems for you to practice. Just follow the directions on them. And like I said before, if you need any more help, please watch the Amoeba Sisters video. This is review, and it's due on Tuesday.